Hi, we're doing a review this morning on a Jazzy Elite 14 power chair. Good morning, folks. This is Marc again with Marc's Mobility. We have here a Jazzy Elite 14 power chair. It was used for about a month. It's literally brand new. So this Elite 14 has a 300-pound weight capability. It is a front-wheel drive power chair, so it's also good for outside in the grass because you have no other wheels in front of the drive wheels. The nice thing about this chair is that it comes with a big seat, 21 by 21. It does have a safety belt. The arms flip up. The arms can go out and they can also go up. The joystick's on the left. If you're right-handed, that's no problem. We can put it on the right side. It does come with an extra large foot plate that flips up when you exit the chair. And if you want to put the chair in neutral, you want to roll it, all you have to do is turn the power off. And the reason you want the power off, these are electric motors, so you want the power off. And the two levers are right here, the yellow lever. I'm going to move one forward. Look how easy that is. That's how you put the chair in neutral. When you're done, put it back in gear. So it's a real easy chair to push around if you wanted to put it in neutral. We're going to turn the power back on. And I'm going to show you something else. It does come with a captain seat. So what a captain seat is a high back with a headrest. So most captain seat will have a headrest. And this one is adjustable like that. And you'll be able to fold it back. This is how far back it would recline. And if you transport this chair, here's the nice part. 31 inches is your high point, 31 inches. So in case you have a minivan or you have an SUV and you want to get it in there, it's 31 inches, okay? The tires on this chair are 14 inches. They're solid tires. They're not going to mark your floor. You have a motor for each wheel, has its own motor. This motor is directly connected to the wheel. There's no chain, no belts, folks. Your reset button is right here where my finger is, right there. So if you ever had a problem, the chair stops on you, there's your reset button. There's two batteries in the chair. There's two batteries. The batteries come out from the back. You see this yellow knob? Unscrew these knobs, but this one's already unscrewed a little. We're going to screw it back up. Unscrew these knobs. This cover comes out and the batteries come out from the back. You have a pouch. This chair is equipped with a docking device, so if you want to add a basket, oxygen tank holder, walker holder, it's already got the docking device already on the seat for the chair. And here's how this chair turns in a circle. So if you have it in your house and you want to turn a circle, look, this is what it would look like in your house. That's the turning radius of this chair. The only thing you have to remember with this chair, folks, it does have a 300-pound capability with no problem. From outside of arm right now, it's 26 inches. Okay, the chair is only 23, but the arms are a little past it. So 26 inches is your magic number. When you charge the batteries in this chair, you'll take your charger. We'll use this one for example. This may not be the charger. We plug it right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. So let's recap. We have a Jazzy Elite 14 power chair, 300-pound capability. It has a captain seat, 21 by 21. The arms flip up. You also have a safety belt. You have solid tires. You have motors for each wheels, caster wheels in the back, large foot plate up front. And this chair was only used for about a month, and it's ready to go. This is the Jazzy Elite 14 power chair. The top speed on this chair is about 5 miles an hour. It's very quiet. And when you stop with the chair, it stops automatically. It has built-in brakes on the motors. Now the joystick's on the left. It really doesn't matter what side it's on, if you're right-handed or left-handed. I can still drive pretty much the same as a right-handed person, and I am right-handed. But if you want the joystick on the right, no big deal. We can put it back on this side. Remember the seat on this one is 21 by 21. Big seat, 300-pound weight capability. And it should have no problem in the grass because it's a front wheel drive chair. As long as your grass has a good bottom. Luckily we got some rain this week. It's starting to turn green again. As you can see, it has no problem in the grass. Of course, when you turn, they do turn slower. There's a reducer speed. When you turn to the right or to the left, it'll slow down when you turn right or left. So this is the Jazzy Elite 14, 300-pound weight capability, solid tires, large footplate, large seat, literally almost brand new. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.